All, I'm Dr. R. Vasanthi, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Arulmigu Pannendu Arts College for Women, Palani. What is loop in C? Looping statements in C execute the sequence of statements many times until the stated condition becomes false. A loop is C consists of two parts, a body of the loop and a control statement. The control statement is a combination of some conditions that direct the body of the loop execute until the specified condition becomes false. The purpose of the C loops to repeat the same code the number of times. Types of loops in C. Depending upon the position of control statement in a program, looping statement in C is classified into two types. Number one is the entry control loop and another one is exit control loop. And any entry control loop in a C condition is checked before executing the body of the loop. It is also called the pre-checking loop. An exit control loop condition is checked after executing the body of a loop. It is also called the post-checking loop. The control conditions must be well defined and specified, otherwise the loop will execute an infinite number of times. The loop does not stop executing and process these statements number of time is called an infinite loop. An infinite loop is also called the endless loop. The following are some characteristics of infinite loop. No termination condition is specified. The specified conditions never meet. C programming language provides us three types of constructs: the while loop, the do while loop, the for loop. While loop, a condition is evaluated before processing a body of the loop. If condition is true, then only then the body of the loop is executed. Do while means the condition is always executed after the body of the loop. It is also called the exit control loop. In a for loop, the individual value is performed only once. Then the condition test and they compare the counter to fixed value after iterations, stopping for loop when false is returned. Break statement in C. The break statement is used to do mainly the switch statement. It is also useful for immediately stopping a loop. Which loop is select? Selection of a loop is always a tough task for a programmer. To select a loop, do the following steps. Analyze the problem and check whether it recurs to the pretest or post-test loop. If pretest is required, to use a while or for loop. The post-test is required, use do while loop. Thank you.